Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to delete or remove the bio on a Facebook page. So let's get started. First, go to the page by typing here. Then tap here. Now go to the page profile. As you can see, this is the bio. To delete it, all you need to do is tap on it once. Then tap on remove at the button. And as you can see, it has been deleted.